In this video, I will teach you how to sell your gift card on Cardcosmic app in 2026. Click on this application called Cardcosmic. Go and download it on Apple Store and also available on the Play Store. Download it and open it like this. After you open it, click any option down here and it will take you to this interface. Then click on sign up. And one more important thing, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. Like this video and also share it for more people to see. If you have any question after you finish watching this video, guys, write it in the comment section. Now let's create our account. Your name. Put your name here. Do you understand? Then put your Gmail here. Do you understand? After you put your Gmail here, put your phone number here, then put your password here. Make sure your password starts with capital letter. For example, let's say Godwin, hard number at the back, and any symbol like this. Do you understand right now? After you put your password, you can see this invitation code. Use this invitation code to register. Make sure you use this invitation code, because if you use this invitation code, you will get a welcome bonus. But if you didn't use it, you will not get a welcome bonus and they will not give me anything as well. So I will say, please use this invitation code. Both of us can get benefits. Do you understand right now? So after that, mark this side like this. Mark it like this. You can see I agree to Cosmic terms and condition. Mark it. After that, click on sign up and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? So I'm going to log into my own account right now and show you step by step how to sell your gift card and how to withdraw your money to your bank account. Now let me log in, guys. I have logged in right now and this is my account. You can see it. Now to sell your gift card, this is what you are going to do. Here you can see withdrawal here, and you can see sell now. Click on sell now. Do you understand right now? And it's going to pop up like this. So you can scroll down to see the type of gift card you want to sell. Let's say right now we want to sell Steam. I will choose Steam. And you can see balance. Choose the balance of your gift card. If your gift card is $100, choose $100. And if it is 2, let's say your gift card is 2, you plus it to 2 like this. So total will be $200. Do you understand? If it is 1, you let it be on 1. Do you understand right now? The next thing you are going to do is to select the country of your gift card. If your gift card is a US card, Australia, New Zealand, you select the country of your card. I'm going to use US as an example, and it's going to pop up this thing. You can see it's on physical and you can see e-code. Physical card is a gift card that someone purchased at a physical store, while e-code is a gift card that someone purchased on a website online. So they are going to send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. That is e-code. Physical card is the common one. So after that, the next thing you are going to do, you can see upload. You can click on this box to upload. You can see to gallery. Then you upload the picture of your, do you understand, the image of your gift card. You can see it like this. I've uploaded it and I'll click on confirm. Do you understand? Or I can just write the code on my gift card here without, I can write the code and not upload the image. Do you understand? And I'll click on confirm. Then if your gift card is 2, you click on this box again and upload the second card, and you click on confirm down here. You can see confirm and they will refill your card, and in few seconds it will say success and the balance will be available on your account like this. Do you understand right now? Now the next thing is to add your bank account and withdraw your money. Let's say now I want to add my bank account. You can see home, transaction support me. Click on me. You can see bank account here. Click on bank account. You can see add bank account. Select the bank you are using. Write the name on your bank account and write your account number and click on save, and your bank will be added successfully like this. So now to withdraw your money, you will go to home and you can see withdrawal. When you go to home, you can see withdrawal. Click on withdrawal. Write the amount you want to withdraw. After that, you can see the minimum withdrawal is 8,000 naira. So after you write the amount you want to withdraw, then click on down here where it says minimum withdrawal, it will write confirm. Then click on that confirm and your money will deliver to your bank account sharp. So this is a step by step how to sell your gift card on Cardcosmic app in 2026. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it for more people to see, and if you have any question, write it in the comment section, guys. One love.